So you're gonna walk closer.
Why, I'm something special?
You are.
Huh?
Walk closer to that green band. You're gonna put your left foot on the band. You're gonna squish it down to the floor. You're gonna put your right foot on the band. And you're gonna take your left foot off. Now you're just gonna control it. Let it lift the right foot up and then press it back down to the ground. So that wobbliness, that's the part we're trying to control, and then press it down. And then with the foot kind of pointing toward me, what I'm going to ask you to do is turn your toe in and then back to straight. You don't have to go out. Right. So turn it in and back to straight. Perfect. And so that knee is resting right against the bench. The lower leg is rotating in and back to neutral.
First 30 seconds or so.
It is. It's a little surprising at first.
But it's kind of relaxing after you get past the initial.
And so what's happening with this is it's shaking, which is changing the sensation that you feel.
Yeah.
But if you can relax the leg, there you go. You just let it go heavy. It's actually taking this lower leg bone and pushing it forward,
Yeah.
which helps with extension when you go to straighten.
Oh.
You know, so these muscles have been tight just because of the pain and the guarding and everything.
Yeah.
It's getting the muscles to relax, but it's also mobilizing that joint just a little bit to help with the range of motion. So we do like a minute at the next level, a minute at the lower level.
How long have you been doing this?
Too long. No.